Lots of good food for them. Love seeing that. I haven't ate a lot of their stores. Drone one. Got eggs. I don't know if you guys can see that. Good eggs in there. Queens are starting to lay. Good brood. We're happy with it. There we go. Plenty of food. I got room to lay. We're gonna put this frame here on the drone out on the side. It doesn't need to be right there in the middle. Good amount of food. This one, I believe, is dead. Oh, no. Got a little bit. Let's see if we can get... Doesn't look like they're cleaned. Yeah, nothing. Good amount of food. Eggs down there. And there, lots of food on them. Queens right after there. We pulled them, going in with young ones. Look at that, nice brood. New bees right there. Nice larvae. So all these will be what they're laying for winter. Verifying queens came back. Got the young larvae. You know, all of them got plenty of food. Bringing in pollen right there. Some of these we need to still add or knock down to singles. That one knock down to singles. These are knocked down to singles. We could run them through winter in these boxes as well. A double, it's not gonna hurt nothing. Look at that, she's laying up here too. Hopefully that picks up. Beautiful. Go one more. Beautiful honey. Eggs all right there. You know, and that's what I need to. That's all I look for. It's just eggs. They got food on them. August 22nd. And we just go down the line. Yep, some of them die. You know, perfect. We need to get this yard cleaned up. Probably redo it over to winter. I want to get it on some pallets and stuff. Pollen, food. There, good brood. Young larvae. Eggs. She's good to go. Should be 1 yard done. We're gonna add some more hives too. Probably take out honey off of this one. It's a little new box. Not sure why this one's here. Who knows? Probably had it in my truck or something. Look at that. Beautiful honey. Oh yeah. Looks like that one's just honey. That's good. Good little mount. I don't run a lot of mediums. Most of my stuff is all deeps, but there's one that's medium. We'll get it extracted. A little bit of brood. She's up through here. Nice brood trail out there. So they filled that one up. They filled that medium up. That's good. See what they do in the fall. Many times we can get a fall crop off. Out here, bring out extra boxes here in about two weeks or so. Put them on so we can harvest in the fall. See if we get one. Look at that. Getting back to honey, natural food. That's what we like to do. I think it's best. Again, plenty of food. That's what we like to see. I want them to have their natural food. More important to me than just taking all the honey. Oh yeah, that one's heavy. We'll probably be able to extract that. So that's good. There's brood. Yep, there you go. She's rocking. Got the weed eater out. Definitely weed eat this down. Today, I probably could use a new box right now. You know, for us, we can, you know, I leave plenty of food behind, and if I need to, when we put them all down to singles, we'll drop their food down and then disperse it between colonies that may need it. And then what they don't have, then we will, or what we don't disperse, then we will harvest again. So since we are not a company that treats, I don't need to worry about pulling it all before treatments get underway and stuff. That brood, eggs. This one got calmed down, that's good. We re-queened it, man, it was mean. But look at that, and there's good honey on them. You know, they'll store it. Get out here and do it. Guys are looking good. Here in Pryor, Oklahoma. That's where we're at right now. Now, let's get to weed eating. See how these girls react. There we go. Not too bad. They didn't seem to mind. They'll do orientation flights as well because they are out of the, or because the weeds got knocked down. So that's something that they will do. All right, so people ask how we keep our smoker lit. You know, once we get the fire in it, we just give it a couple puffs. You know, get it really going. There we go. Put it in here. Put that on there. And that'll last till our next beeyard, which is in Tulsa. So, 30 minutes or so. Yeah, be keeping it real. See ya.